Hello everybody, welcome to this month's episodes of XMD's Tips and Tricks. I'm Rick Evans, your host again for this month. And what we're going to do this month is look at some customizations of XMD and creating other components that you don't find in the XMD databases. So in this particular case, we have a hydraulic cylinder, and so many suppliers have their catalogs online now that I've imported a step file from Miller Cylinders, I believe, and I've got this into Key Creator. So the first thing I need to do is put this geometry on level 7. The isometric view, or the 3D geometry, goes on level 7. So after it's put on level 7, I have to establish the major axis, or the installation direction of the component. So the action of this component is always in the movement of the rod, and it's installed in that direction as well. So we have to put that in the world X direction. And then after I establish the major axis, I move this component to its base position, and that's going to be 0, 0, 0. And the base position for this particular component is the front of the flange, because in any situation where we use this cylinder, that flange is going to be bolted to a plate or a mold, some side of the mold. Okay, so those three options: import the component, level 7, establish the major axis in the base position, and then you go to the main menu and you select Format Smart Pattern, and you see right off the bat XMD creates 6 2D views. Okay, so now I have all my 2D views along with my 3D view, and now I'm going to enter the information in the dialog box. A file name is just something that I can use it to reference to. The description, material, catalog number are the way I enter these. They will appear exactly in the bill of materials. XMD will keep track of the quantities and update that as we go along as well. So there's my information. I have a choice to save it to the job or save it to the catalog. So I'm going to save it to the catalog here, and I'll establish this as one of my major components that I'll use in many different jobs. If it was something that was job specific, I'd just save it to the job. So Smart Pattern's been created, and I put it in a subdirectory called Miller Cylinders, and that's it. In the next video, we're going to look at how to add these guys, and we'll modify them as well. Thanks for watching video 1.